How to fix iPhone WhatsApp verification code not received in iOS 17. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today in this short video, I will teach you how to fix iPhone WhatsApp verification not received. Let's get started without wasting any time. Launch the settings menu on your device. Now swipe down a bit in the settings menu. Here you will see messages and click on it. Here make sure the iMessage button is on. If it's not on, then turn it on. Now click on the notifications and make sure that the allow notification is also turned on. Now go back to home screen. Open the control center and check if do not disturb is on. Sometimes notification does not appear due to do not disturb on. If do not disturb is on, turn it off. So if still the WhatsApp verification code is not showing on your screen, then it might be due to network issue that the code is not showing. And to fix the network issue, first go to settings. Here you will see airplane mode, turn it on, wait for a while and then turn it back off. Hopefully the verification code issue now will be resolved. That's it. Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.